Welcome to Isover's Bust a Myth with me, Professor Aerolite. Today's myth: it's too expensive to insulate your home. When you choose Aerolite Soft Touch ceiling insulation for your home, you turn your utility bills into future monthly savings. Temperature regulation in winter means a more efficient heating system and not having to rely on heaters as often. In the summertime, insulation keeps your space cool so you won't have to keep your AC or fan on to beat the heat. Another plus? Your home's value will soar as insulated homes are coveted treasures in the real estate market. Want an investment? Myth busted. As seasons change, Aerolite's thermal properties ensures your initial investment yields returns. Until next time, stay warm and stay curious.